You guys are probably familiar with the SoundOff signal intersector lights that go underneath, that actually mount underneath of the left and right side mirrors on your vehicle. Well, these are the new SoundOff signal intersector surface mount lights, and that's what we're going to take a look at today. I'm Eric with Tri-State Public Safety, and this is it. This is the SoundOff signal intersector surface mount light. This is just the bezel that you get. And this is the light itself. Same design, same LEDs, everything's pretty much the same, except that now it has a flat back on it, so you can surface mount it to a flat surface. Now, what you're going to get different with this light than a lot of other surface mount lights is the ability to get 180 degree coverage out of the light. Your typical surface mount light is only going to get light showing straight forward. This is going to get it off to the side. Now we're going to take a look at that in just a minute, but I wanted to give you an up close look at the light. Inside here you have 9 LEDs that are mounted to the white PC board down here on the bottom, and then you've got a some type of cone reflector chrome reflector deal that takes the light and amplifies it out and sends it everywhere a full 180 degrees. Then this is the back of the light. You have a metal heat sink and your 4 wires coming out. Okay, this one is a little bit different in that it's got a quick disconnect plug on it. That's how it comes. And then this is your inline flasher. So 30 different flash patterns on this light. This is your bezel that goes right over the top, and then there's also a gasket, like a rubbery gasket that would go in the back. Just run your wires through the center hole there, and it would look like this when you've got the light mounted inside. Okay, so let's give you some quick dimensions. I know sometimes it's a little difficult to tell on camera how big or how small things are. So let's take a measurement of the bezel itself, just to try to give you an idea of how big the light is. Just a hair over 3.5 inches, so just slightly larger than 3.5 inches. Front to back, we're at 1 3/4, almost 2 inches. This part of the light itself is not very big, maybe 1 inch probably. Yeah, 1 inch tall. So it is small, it is discreet. It can easily be mounted in your grill. They do make L brackets for it, along with a host of other different brackets. Just to give you an idea, this is what the L bracket would look like. This is the L bracket. So they're just giving you a little diagram here of the screws that mount onto the bezel. Bezel goes onto the light, run your wiring through the gasket, and that mounts to the bracket. So with the L bracket like that, you can mount it inside your grill. You can mount these on your push bumper. You can mount them directly to the body of a vehicle. You can mount them on the side of your push bumper, on the side of your bumper that you already have on your vehicle. You could mount them to basically anything. The toolbox in the rear bed of your pickup truck, you can do that if you want. Endless possibilities, because this is a surface mount light. This light is different than the light that mounts underneath your mirror. Same light head, right? Same light head, same design, different light. This is the surface mount version. Okay, so just make sure when you're ordering, you're looking for the correct thing. This is made in two versions: the under your side mirror lights on your vehicle, or surface mount version like this one. Of course, this one comes with SoundOff signals, full 5-year no hassle warranty. And let's take a look at it. Turn it on here. We'll take a look at it together. This one is white, but this one, this light is available just like they're under the mirror lights. They're available in red, blue, amber, white, and green. Okay, so let's take a look at it without the bezel on. And you should be able to see the 180-degree spread. It's pretty impressive. This is a very, very unique light. You're not going to see this anywhere else. I haven't seen another manufacturer that has anything remotely close to this. So this is very unique, very different, very interesting, and very intense. SoundOff doesn't skimp on their quality or their output of their lights. These are very, very intense. So just to give you an idea, let me grab a ghost. Grab a ghost off the shelf here. Here's a ghost, right? We're all familiar with them, or we should be. There's your visibility from the side on this one. You can see let me turn this off. The mounting bezel is covering up the majority of the light. And I think on the Ghost that was the original intent. You know, this has a very big metal housing to help protect the light from debris or whatever. This one's different. So while I've got it here, let's turn it on as well so we can see how the bezel directly impacts the disbursement of light when you're looking at a light that's shooting all the power straight forward versus the power dispersed in 180 degree. Let's see if I can show this on camera here. Okay, so my wires are sticking together here. So here are the lights, as you can see, end to end. And there's your visibility from the side. You can barely just make out the Ghost. Not so with the Intersector, right? It's amazing. It's obviously clear. Its visibility is profound. Now you can't do the Intersector in a split color. This guy here. It's going to be solid colors only. At least that's my understanding for now. You've got 9 LEDs in there, so I'm assuming it would probably be a little bit difficult to split 9, as you know. But man, it's a pretty cool light. Really neat, innovative stuff that SoundOff has come out with. Again, this one here is the Ghost, and this is the new SoundOff Intersector. And a full 180 degree spread of light coming out of that light head itself. Give you a different angle on it here. Okay, so don't know if you've seen it yet. We definitely wanted to bring it to you. Here's Here's the lights with the bezel on. It's just, even trying to give you this angle, it's crazy because this one you can easily do it. You know, the light's not hitting the camera. This one, it makes it hard to see. So there you go. Pretty neat light. Their pricing is going to be the exact same as their regular under the mirror intersectors. So no difference in price. If you want a surface mount model, we certainly have them. Like I said, red, blue, white, amber, and green. They're only doing solid colors for obvious reasons. This one is a 9 LED diode light. Okay? So 30 different flash patterns. Not sure if I mentioned that. Full 5-year warranty. It does have cruise mode, if that would interest you. That is available as well. So, you guys have any questions, let me know, and I'll do the best I can to answer them for you. But just wanted to bring you this exciting new product from SoundOff Signal. They're made out of Michigan, and this is another great product that they've given us. So, you guys have any questions, let me know. Thanks.